You have the power to influence, especially if you stand as one. You can help build the defenses of peace in the minds of your peers. You can educate them not to hate those who are different, not to go back to the nefarious practices of the past. You can encourage the nations from which you hail to settle their disputes peacefully, including through adjudication here, instead of using violence or force. Remember the old proverb which says, wars are created by people who are too old to fight, for those too young to die. Act for peace now. Act for peace forever. Thank you.